Welcome to Happy Hearts Hub. Hi, I'm Zogo. I'm an alien fruit from planet Produce, and I love exploring space and teaching fun things to kids like you. Today, we're landing on a brand new planet, Earth. Let's go on a fun adventure together and discover amazing animals. Buckle up, space explorers. Whoa, look at this. I'm getting closer to Earth. So many places to explore. But where should I land first? I wonder what amazing things I'll find here. Let's see. Jungles, animals, and maybe even a fun game. Get ready, because today we're going to meet some wild jungle animals, play an awesome guessing game, and learn so many cool things. Are you ready? Let's go. Whoa, check this out. The jungle is so green and full of life. There are giant trees reaching up to the sky, vines hanging everywhere, and whoa, what was that? Something just moved in the bushes. Let's go check it out. Oh, wow, it's a monkey. Look at him swinging from tree to tree, so fast and playful. Monkeys use their long arms and tails to balance as they move. Can you move your arms like a monkey? Give it a try. Monkeys love eating bananas and other fruits, kind of like me. Except, I am a fruit. Haha. Would you like to eat fruit in the jungle? This jungle is totally wild. So many cool creatures everywhere. Hey, I just thought of something super fun. Let's play a game. I'll give you some clues and you have to guess what animal I'm thinking of. Think you can do it? Let's find out. All right, space explorers, let's play a game. It's called Guess That Sound. I'm going to play a sound and you have to guess which jungle animal is making it. Listen carefully. Here it comes. Whoa, that was a wild one. Do you think that sound came from a lion, a bird, or a monkey? If you said monkey, you got it. Nice work. Monkeys love to chatter and call out to their friends high up in the trees. Let's try another one. Listen closely. What do you think? Was that a lion, a parrot, or an elephant? If you said parrot, you're totally right. Parrots can copy sounds and even talk. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, one last sound. Get ready. Whoa, that one was loud. Was that a monkey, a lion, or an elephant? If you guessed lion, you got it. Lions have the loudest roar in the jungle. You'd hear them from 5 miles away. That was awesome. You're getting really good at this. Okay, let's get back to exploring and see what other cool animals we can find. Whoa, wait a second. Dude, the ground is crawling. Whoa, bugs everywhere. I gotta check this out. Whoa, check this out. There are so many tiny creatures here. Bugs are everywhere in the jungle and they all have special jobs. Some help flowers grow, some clean up, and some just like to buzz around. Let's take a closer look. Did you know that ants are super strong? They can carry things that are 50 times heavier than they are. Imagine if you could carry your whole bed on your back. Oh, look at this little guy, a beetle. Some beetles have bright colors to warn other animals to stay away. And butterflies? They start out as little caterpillars before they grow wings and flutter through the jungle. Amazing, right? I bet there's even more to see if we look up. Whoa, check out those trees. Dude, this tree is so big I could park like 10 spaceships on top of it. Imagine climbing this thing. Would take like a whole week. How do they even get this tall? Did you know some trees can live for thousands of years? Trees help clean the air we breathe and give animals a place to live. They also help keep the planet cool by providing shade and soaking up carbon dioxide from the air. That's super important for all of us, including animals and even people. Cool, right? All right, space explorers, it's game time. Let's play a fun guessing game. I'll give you some clues and you try to guess what animal I'm thinking of. Ready? Let's do this. Okay, first clue. This animal is big, has a long trunk and huge floppy ears. Can you guess what it is? Think about it. I'll give you a second. It's an elephant. Nice job. Elephants use their trunks to drink water and even pick up food. That's like me using my whole body to grab a snack. All right, next one. This animal has golden fur with black spots and it can climb trees really fast. What could it be? Got your guess? It's a leopard. These guys are super sneaky and they can jump really far, like as far as a spaceship launching off the ground. Wild, right? One more. This animal is bright green, loves to copy what you say, and can fly. What could it be? Did you guess? It's a parrot. These little chatterboxes can learn words and even mimic human voices. Imagine if a parrot learned to sound just like me. Hey dude, what's up? Haha, awesome job, space explorers. You totally rocked that game. Oh snap, my ship's calling me. Fuel's getting low. Guess I gotta head back. But dude, this jungle was amazing. All right, back in my ship. That jungle was totally epic. I was so focused on all the green down there. The trees, the plants, the animals. But dude, now that I'm up here, I see so much blue. Did you know that Earth is covered in more water than land? About 70% of this planet is ocean. That means if I wanted to land my spaceship randomly, chances are I'd splash right into the sea. Ha 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 ha. Now I gotta wonder, what kind of creatures live under all that water? Are there space sharks? Ocean aliens? Ooh, now I have to find out. What do you think I'll discover next? But before I take off on my next adventure, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Happy Hearts Hub so you don't miss out on more cosmic fun. See you next time, Space Explorers.